Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Let's start. Introduction to LinkedIn Campaign Manager. LinkedIn Campaign Manager is a powerful advertising tool offered by LinkedIn, the professional social network platform. It allows businesses and advertisers to create, manage, and optimize advertising campaigns on LinkedIn. This platform provides a range of features and tools to target specific audience, measures campaign performance, and achieve marketing goals. As a result, it provides advertisers with a highly targeted audience that is often seeking business-related content. LinkedIn Campaign Manager is the gateway for advertisers to tap into this valuable audience. Number 1. Setting up your campaign. To get started with LinkedIn Campaign Manager, you first need to create an advertising account and set campaign objectives. Campaigns objectives can vary, including lead generations, website visits, engagement, video views, and more. The platform allows you to choose the objectives that aligns with your marketing goals. Number 2. Targeting options. One of the standout features of LinkedIn Campaign Manager is its robust targeting option. Advertisers can narrow down their audience based on various criteria, including job title, company size, industry location, and even specific LinkedIn groups or events. This level of granularity helps ensure your ads reach the most relevant audience. Number 3. Ad formats. LinkedIn offers several ad formats to choose from, including sponsored content, sponsored email, display ads, and video ads. Each format has its own unique advantages and can be tailored to fit your campaign's goals. For instance, sponsored content appears in users' feeds, while sponsored email delivers personalized messages directly to users' inboxes. Number 4. Ad bidding and budgeting. LinkedIn Campaign Manager provides flexibility when it comes to budgeting and bidding. You can set daily or total budget caps and choose between cost per click or cost per impression bidding. This allows you to control your ad spend and optimize your campaigns based on performance. Number 5. Ad creative and ad copy. Creating compelling and creative ad copy is crucial for the success of your LinkedIn campaigns. Visual elements and engaging copy are essential to capture the attention of your audience. LinkedIn provides best practices and guidelines to help you craft effective ad content. Number 6. Campaign analytics. LinkedIn Campaign Manager offers in-depth analytics and reporting. You can track key performance metrics such as clicks, impressions, click-through rates, and more. This data helps you assess the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions for optimization. Number 7. Conversion tracking. To measure the impact of your LinkedIn campaigns on your website or landing pages, you can set up conversion tracking. This feature enables you to monitor actions taken by users after clicking on your ads, such as form submissions, downloads, or purchases. Number 8. A by B testing. A by B testing, also known as split testing, is a valuable feature in LinkedIn Campaign Manager. It allows you to create multiple ad variations and test them against each other to determine which performs better. This initiative approach can help refine your campaign for improved results. Number 9. Matched audiences. LinkedIn's Matched Audiences feature enables you to target specific list of LinkedIn members such as your existing customer or website visitors. This feature is beneficial for re-engagement and nurturing campaigns. Benefits of using LinkedIn Campaign Manager. LinkedIn Campaign Manager offers several advantages for advertisers. Professional audience. LinkedIn's user base is primarily professionals, making it an ideal platform for B2B marketing and reaching a business-focused audience. Precise targeting. The platform provides extensive targeting options, allowing advertisers to reach their ideal audience with pinpoint accuracy. Brand awareness. Sponsored content and display ads can help boost brand visibility and awareness among a professional audience. Lead generation. LinkedIn is effective for generating high-quality leads, especially with lead generation forms integrated into sponsored content and InMail. Job postings. Companies looking to hire can use LinkedIn Campaign Manager to promote job listing and attract potential candidates. Detailed analytics. The platform offers comprehensive analytics to track campaign performance and make data-driven optimizations. Conclusion. LinkedIn Campaign Manager is a versatile advertising platform that allows businesses to connect with a professional audience and achieve a variety of marketing goals. With its robust targeting options, multiple ad formats, and detailed analytics, it provides a comprehensive solution for B2B and professional marketing efforts. Advertisers can leverage LinkedIn Campaign Managers to raise brand awareness, generate leads, and drive website traffic, all while benefiting from the platform's precise audience targeting. While this overview provides a broad understanding of LinkedIn Campaign Manager, keep in mind that successful campaigns often require a deep dive into the platform's features and constant refinement to achieve the best results. Advertisers should adapt to changes in the platform and industry trends to stay competitive in the professional networking space.